How to re-download the App Store on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to re-download the App Store on iPhone. So if your App Store is not working, or if you have disabled it for some reason, then what you can do is, the first option, what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just head over to your general and just click on this transfer or reset iPhone. Just click on this and make sure you click on this erase all content, or you can also reset your phone, and you just have to reset your device completely. So there's the first method. So if you don't want to reset your phone, the other thing what you can do is just head over to your settings once again, and once you're inside here, you just have to scroll down until you see the screen time option, as you can see. So just tap on the screen time and scroll once again until you see the content and privacy restriction option. So just make sure you have enabled this option, and just click on iTunes and App Store purchases, and make sure you have enabled or allowed this installing apps option. So once you do that and try to restart your iPhone, and your App Store should be successfully visible on your device. So if it's still not working, then you must reset your iPhone device as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.